Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Global Income Hub. Today, very important video for Pinterest users. What if you could build a Pinterest affiliate marketing system that works every single day? Not just getting traffic, not just getting clicks, but a complete system designed to generate affiliate commissions consistently. In today's video, I'll show you the exact framework successful Pinterest marketers use to grow from zero traffic to a potential $100 per day affiliate marketing business. And the best part? We're using Claude AI to do most of the heavy lifting. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete blueprint you can start implementing today. Let's begin. Step 1. Stop thinking about money. Most beginners focus on commissions. That's the wrong approach. Instead, ask, what problem am I solving? People don't wake up wanting affiliate links. People want solutions. Examples. Someone searching how to make money online actually wants more income. Someone searching best AI writing tool actually wants to save time. Someone searching Pinterest marketing strategy actually wants more traffic. Your content should focus on solving problems. Commissions come later. This mindset shift changes everything. Step 2. Pick one profitable niche. Many beginners fail because they choose too many niches. Focus on one. Examples. AI tools. Affiliate marketing. Make money online. Productivity. Online business. Personal finance. Choose one niche and dominate it. When Pinterest understands your content category, your account grows faster. Ask Claude AI. Give me 50 content ideas for an affiliate marketing Pinterest account. Instantly, you'll have weeks of content. Step 3. Create a content machine. Now it's time to build your content machine. Use Claude AI. Prompt. Generate 30 Pinterest titles related to affiliate marketing. Claude provides pin titles, descriptions, keywords, content angles. Now create 5 pins per day. That's 35 pins every week. More content means more opportunities. The goal is volume plus quality. Step 4. Design pins people click. Pinterest is visual. People judge your content in seconds. Use large text, bright colors, curiosity headlines, clear message. Examples. Nobody talks about this. Free traffic method. Earn online with AI. Best side hustle 2026. Avoid clutter. One message, one goal, one click. Remember, Pinterest users scroll fast. Your pin must stop them. Step 5. The secret to viral Pinterest traffic. Here's what many creators miss. Pinterest loves fresh content. Not perfect content, fresh content. Instead of posting one pin, create 10 versions. Example. Topic. Pinterest affiliate marketing. Version 1. Beginner guide. Version 2. Mistakes to avoid. Version 3. Case study. Version 4. 2026 strategy. Version 5. Traffic method. One idea becomes multiple pins. This dramatically increases exposure. Step 6. Turn traffic into commissions. Traffic alone doesn't pay. Conversions pay. Focus on matching content with offers. Example. Pin. Best AI writing tools. Offer. AI writing software. Pin. Make money online. Offer. Affiliate marketing course. Pin. Productivity hacks. Offer productivity app. The offer should naturally fit the content. Never force promotions. Always provide value first. Step 7. Scale with Claude AI. This is where Claude AI becomes powerful. Ask Claude. Create 20 new pin titles, 20 descriptions, 20 keyword lists, 20 content ideas. One successful pin can become 50 pieces of content. This allows you to scale quickly. Most people work harder. You work smarter. Step 8. Track everything. Use Pinterest analytics. Track impressions, outbound clicks, saves, top pins. Focus on winners. Ignore losers. Create more content around what works. Growth comes from data, not guesses. Let's recap. Choose one niche. Use Claude AI for ideas. Create fresh content daily. Design high CTR pins. Match offers to content. Track results. Scale winners. That's the exact system many successful Pinterest affiliate marketers use. Will you make money overnight? No. But if you stay consistent, you'll build a traffic asset that can generate clicks and commissions for months. Commence sans day. below if you're committed to building your Pinterest affiliate marketing business. And subscribe my YouTube channel Global Income Hub because in Part 7, I'll reveal my advanced Pinterest SEO strategy for ranking pins at the top of Pinterest search results.